you've been searching for a townhouse that checks all the boxes, you might want to stick around. Updated kitchen, private fully fenced backyard made for summer, finished lower level, and an unbeatable Erin Mills location. Built by Daniels, this townhouse has what you're looking for.
Tucked quietly at the back of the complex, this home gives you something rare: privacy, a welcoming front porch, mature surroundings, and a peaceful setting backing onto detached homes. Inside, the main floor opens up beautifully. The living and dining areas are bright and spacious, ideal for entertaining or just relaxing after a long day. Enjoy the privacy of a rare, fully fenced backyard.